Sabre Advanced Pepper Spray Keychain with quick release 3-in-1 pepper spray, CS tear gas and UV dye, maximum strength police ox spray, finger grip for better aim, optional practice spray. Number 1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide, including New York PD, Chicago PD and US Marshals. Reliable and long-lasting, 4-year shelf life from date of manufacture, 2x the industry standard, for the best self-protection available. Guaranteed maximum strength. Every Sabre pepper spray is backed by our exclusive in-house HPLC laboratory testing, guaranteeing maximum stopping power in every burst and eliminating the 30% failure rate experienced with other brands. U of Utah study. Maximum stopping power. Sabre Advanced 3-in-1 formula includes max strength pepper spray, CS tear gas for enhanced burning and UV marking dye to help ID suspect. Projects 10-foot, 3M, in powerful stream for protection at a safe distance. Faster, easier, more accurate aim. Finger grip enhances your grasp and aim to help keep your eye on the threat. 1/2 ounces container with 25 bursts, up to 5x other brands, protects against multiple threats. Includes quick release keyring for immediate access. Stay Sabre safe with free training. Feel confident and secure. In addition to your defensive spray, packaging includes links to free training videos and safety tips to help maximize your personal safety when in the face of danger. Made in the USA. Click the link to get this product today at the best price and read the real customer reviews.